Hello guys, my name is Charles Stanley from TS Textiles Video. Today we are going to be going through our YouTube chats once more, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your YouTube chat and actually how to create a YouTube group on YouTube chat. Now most people have seen me in the previous video how you can engage, add your contact. Now already added my contact and I want to create a YouTube group so that I could actually engage as a group and then add my friends in a particular community so we can engage with each other just like you do on Facebook, Twitter, and other social media groups. Okay, how to do this? First, open your YouTube application. Once you have it open, go ahead and click on inbox area. This is the notification area. Remember, you need to click on the messages area so that you're able to see from your messages area. Okay, fortunately we have 2 friend requests, and whenever you get a friend request, it is how you get the notification, and each time you get a friend request you can click on them and then accept friend. So once you accept the friend, your invitation would be accepted, and then you can notice the person I just accepted is now connected, and then I have one more friend request which is Donica Lana. Go ahead and accept. Once you accept, they are going to display and you can be able to chat with them. I don't remember sending this person a friend request, so I'm going to go ahead and chat with her. So I'm going to say hello, and when she's online she's going to see the message and we'll be able to respond to it. So now let's go back to our tutorial. Now I want to create a new group to add my friends so that we can actually engage. Now all you need to do in creating a new group, or you can notice right here that says friends and new group, so go ahead and say new group, and then you can give it a group name. Don't forget to give it a unique group name. I'm going to say my YouTube friends. Or let's just say YouTube pause. So once you're done, go ahead and click on create, and the group is going to be created for us. Okay, just now my internet was a bit slow, so I've created a group. All I need to do is to add people from my contact list. Now I'm going to add this person and this and this, and I'm literally going to add my YouTube pals who are very active on YouTube. So I'm going to make now I'm done selecting my friends. All I need to do now is to add, and after that it's going to be created, and you can notice I have my friend list here, so you can view participants and see the names and the people on the friend list, and you can also add more participant by clicking on add participant. Just go ahead and click on add participant and it's going to show you a list of other people. So apart from that, you could also share the invitation link by clicking on the send an invite link. Once you click on send an invite link, you can go ahead and click on share the group link, and you could copy it, you could share it on your social media, even on your Facebook and whatever you want it. Just very simple with that. So I'm going to say hello guys. So this does it. Thank you for watching. This is a new video, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. This is the TS Textiles video, and you can notice this is our group right here. Please leave a comment and like the video below. Thank you.